What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today is actually a pretty cool day. I think we have a deal in place for my fiance to get another car. Now if you guys don't know, we actually went to go look at a couple different cars. We've been going back and forth between like a Stinger, she looked at a Veloster, we even looked at a Mustang as well, which I know you're probably thinking like, you're looking at a Mustang? Yeah, I know, it's an EcoBoost. We looked at a couple different things, but right now I think we have something in place that I think we're going to do. We actually had to use the dealerships against each other because they kind of gave us all different quotes for different things, and we were sending them back to other dealerships trying to see if we can get the best deal. Since everything has to be done online, it's been kind of crazy right now, but I think we got a deal done in principle. We're going to email back the dealership either tonight or tomorrow morning. I want to let them know that, yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll do it. And yeah, so that should be taken care of. But we do need to do a couple things. So A, we need to clean out her car, get everything out of her car. We're going to be trading that in. So we're just going to be saying goodbye to the Compass, which has had a nice life with us. It's been pretty fun. And then also for the Jeep, my Jeep, I want to actually clean it out. And also I've been having a problem with the starter. Now, it's been actually since I first got the vehicle, it's been kind of acting a little bit strange. Now, whenever I turn the car on, sometimes it would cut on, sometimes it wouldn't. It seems like either, well, I got the battery replaced and I also got the alternator checked. That was all fine. So it was either the starter or there could be some corrosion going to the starter. Like I had a starter go out on one of my other cars before, my old Eclipse, and it would make just like a click noise. And this doesn't quite sound like that. So this is what I've been seeing. A lot of people are saying that it could just be that the, I guess the wires going to the starter. It could be like a bad ground or something like that. So I don't know. I'm going to see if we can look at that, and I'm going to look at the window again one more time. But today's going to be a nice cool day. We're going to get some stuff in preparation for getting rid of the... We're in preparation to get rid of the Compass, pick up the next new vehicle, and just do some maintenance, small cleaning up on the Jeep. Should be a good day, so let's jump right into it. Alright guys, let me see if it will start. Now, don't know if it's going to replicate it. Okay, the moment I try to get it to do it, it doesn't do it. I'm just going to move this up a little bit so it'll be easier to clean this out. And I can have more room to the other Compass as well. Let's move the car around real quick. I still have to get this door off again. I'm gonna try to work on this door. It's just annoying right now. But I need to see if I can get this window fixed. I don't want to have to do the whole thing myself. It looks like a pain in the butt to do to replace the window regulator. I don't know if the motor's gone, but I seem like you can buy the motor and regulator separately. But I feel like if you're gonna do it, you might as well replace the whole thing. So I might have to do that. I really don't want to, but I might have to do it just because I need it done. But so this is what the Jeep looks like after like winter use. The back seats, reason why I have this giant cover over the seat for the dogs, but the front's not terribly bad. We're just gonna do some quick cleaning up in here. I want to make sure everything looks a little bit better. But these seat covers did a pretty good job. It's just a little bit dirty, a little bit grungy. It's time to just do like a nice spring cleaning in this bad boy. Get it nice and a little bit cleaner. It's not really dirty. It's just, you know, my car's been used all winter long. So it's time to get it cleaned up just a little bit. And yeah, then we're gonna move on to cleaning up the Compass, getting everything out of there. But yeah, let's do it.
I hate it.
Good.
I'm getting nervous. I won't hate it, right?
No.
How you know?
I don't know. I like it. If any of you guys are curious to see Huskies, this is how much hair that they leave behind. It's crazy. Even inside the house, they leave behind so much hair. We have to sweep and like vacuum every day, and I just blew them out, cause there is obviously it's like spring now, so like their like winter coats are coming out. It's insane of how much hair they like shed in like a day. I'm gonna just take this out and see if I can just shake it off, but we'll try to clean this area up. Here, if we put that right there on my hand. Keep it up.
No.
Oh.
Look at how sun faded the one side is versus.
Was that? I'm going to show you guys. We completely forgot that there's a spare tire inside the trunk of the compass. We completely forgot there was a spare tire, and she had stuff down here. We took all that stuff out, leaving the spare tire and that jack. It's a sad that the compass is going to be going by.
No, it's not.
It's a little sad. It's only a little bit.
I didn't realize was here for the longest. This.
What? Oh yeah, the little grab handle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Keeping those.
Yeah, why not?
Will they fit in the other one?
Probably not.
Oh, we'll keep them. They might be a little bit big. I think it comes with floor mats. Yeah, I mean it does. I don't know about winter ones, but it does come with winter. Well, whatever. We'll keep those. You know, I have like 3 pairs of those inside the garage. Legit. There's like, I know I have some in here for sure.
Remember when you got rid of your washer, you left my sunglasses in it?
Yes.
I'm so mad.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get them back. Well, the deal, it was too late. Nah, I did bring out these. I forgot I had these in the garage. These might be dry. I don't know.
Ship said, I know you're working 312s, but are you close to deciding? Home right now.
Oh, you told me we're working 312s?
Yeah. So I was like, I won't be able to give you a decision till Friday.
See, that's what I mean. I feel like that dealership, they're more eager. The other one, I feel like they were kind of dragging their feet. There was one I'm like, well, I'm gonna let them wait. I have no idea. I think we're gonna email back the other dude tonight. You're gonna CC me on it. We're both gonna be on it. You're gonna just lay it out for him.
It's not gonna be my car for much longer. No sand.
It's gonna be gone.
Good.
I'm trying to fix. I wanted to
How
see.
do you feel, Bay,
What do you mean?
about this whole
Everything?
thing?
I don't
Yeah.
know. I think you don't want to fix your Jeep anymore. I mean, you've had it for
5 years.
about 5 years. It did its job. You just want to move on. I understand. I do the same thing all the time. Not all the time, but I did.
Someone asked me today,
Mm-hmm.
I won't say who,
Okay.
but somebody asked me, would you rather write a paper on a typewriter or a MacBook?
The car situation. You're getting rid of the Jeep. You've had it for a while. Are you gonna sell the other radio?
Sure, why not?
Or are you gonna let me buy it off you? I
You
don't.
can just have it.
I don't want to put it in here though.
I don't think it'll fit.
No, I think it will.
They're gonna have to sell you like a whole.
The bracket. I don't think I even want to do it because like I feel like I don't want someone to break in here and try to take it.
I mean, I feel like people are more likely to break it and try to take it because it's not
Yeah, this one's
securely like.
Yeah, well, because this one's not the
in
right
there.
size. This thing doesn't have a bracket at all. This thing's just in there. It's like this is the wires.
This place is a death trap.
This is the wires from my dash cam and from my radar detector. I just routed it.
That ain't right.
I routed it all through there.
That ain't right.
But can I have your remote start?
No.
Why not? That's the only thing I.
Why not?
That's the only thing I really want. It should be like over to the.
Wait, babe, my heart's beating really fast. I'm really nervous. Like, what if I can't do it?
You will.
I'm gonna cry. I'm about to cry right now.
Why? You don't want it. You don't
But
want
I
it.
do want it. That's the thing. Though, right?
Yeah, that's fast. That's fast. Babe, here's the thing. We have 3 cars. If you don't want to drive it one day, you can drive any other car.
You're right.
That's what I mean. Like it's not like you know what I mean?
It's not like we're a one-car household.
Yeah. Like you can drive any other car if you want to.
I'll never drive this.
Why not? You don't like
Because it's a hunk of shit.
It's not. This is a really nice car.
Here, let me try to start out. Where are your keys?
Right here.
Let's see.
Moment of truth. I know. I tried to get it to not start on camera. See, I told you.
What?
I think it's a bad ground going to the starter. That's what I think it is. I think it's like, it's totally fine. Because it only happens like rarely. Alright, I'm gonna try this one more time, see if I can fix this. This is so annoying that it keeps doing this. You can tell this has been taken off a million times. But we're gonna see if I can try to get this to work now. Hopefully I can. Let's see what's up with this. If you guys can see, but it is actually tugging. It's almost like it's stuck. Like when I put my hand on the wire, I can feel it moving. It's almost like something is just snagging it. Like it feels like the motor is still working. The cords are moving, but the window's just not going down. It's almost like it's just stuck. I want to see if I can just push it down. See, look at. I don't know. I'm gonna try something.
Dog.
This is what Legion does. If I leave the door open, he'll just jump in there. Oh, okay. He's in the back. He's like,
Dad, we're going for a ride. You don't have a choice. Thanks. You got eye bugs, dude. Look at those eye bugs.
I know. Oh. Gear.
And then Gear, on the other hand, is like, no.
Gear's like, eh.
Beach, darling. Beach.
Come on. Come on, Leech. Come on, Legion. I'm going.
Come on, Gear.
He'll just jump. Let me open this door. Come on, Legion.
No, this
Let's go.
way. No, Gear's trying to get in.
Oh, goodness. They think they're... They think we're going somewhere. Come on.
No, come on.
We're not going for a ride.
Come on, Leech.
Come on.
Come on, Leech. Come on, Leech.
This way, this way. Come on. Come on. Here. Come on. Good boy.
Get inside, dude.
There we go. Bang. Where are we going now?
To get Chili's because our bitch is hungry.
Black view for your safe driving.
That makes sense. Just got done cleaning up.
Normal
Oh my
recording.
god. Just got done cleaning up the Jeep, her Jeep, my Jeep. Couldn't get the window fixed. I tried. Probably gonna have to get the window regulator and the motor. Now we're gonna go pick up some Chili's. So we'll be back in a moment. Alright, what's up guys? So this is technically the next day. I realized we didn't finish up the video from yesterday. But to give you guys a quick synopsis of everything that's going on. Her Jeep Compass is completely cleaned out now. It's ready to rock and roll. It's ready to trade in. We made sure everything was out of it. We have pretty much all the paperwork and everything for it. So it's pretty much ready to rock and roll. My Jeep not Wrangler, wow. My almost said Compass as well. The Grand Cherokee. Here's the issue with the window as well. Now, so I took off basically the whole assembly for it once again. And I was looking at the regulator and the motor. I basically took almost all of it out because it felt like it was not, it felt like the motor wasn't, like it felt like the motor was still working, but I felt like it was just getting caught on something, because when you press it, you can feel it moving. It's like it wants to move. And this happened before when I first got it. Like I kind of had to like shake it and it started working again. So that's what I kept trying to do. But I think this time it's probably like completely broken because I completely took almost everything out and made sure like none of the wires or anything like that were caught on anything. And I shook everything. I almost took the whole entire thing out and put it back in, and it's still like not working. It's doing the same thing. So I think either the motor's just shot, which is weird because it's still moving. Like it wants to move. It just feels like it needs to get like shaken loose. So I don't really know. I looked at a replacement, like a Mopar replacement. It's like $230 just for the part. It's kind of expensive. I don't know if I really want to do that right now for this. I mean, I kind of need the window, so I'm gonna probably do it eventually, just because I'm gonna need to get it done, especially in the summertime. Because you need to have your windows down. So there goes that. And I wouldn't get. I was thinking of getting like an aftermarket one from like AutoZone, like those. I think they're called like Door Masters or something like that. People said that they break, so I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I've still got to see what's the best option, but that's what's going on with that. Now the other thing now, so with the car, we pretty much have. Okay, so we have a deal set in stone right now. It's pretty much ours if we want to do it. My only reservation about this one car is that the dealership that we've been working with, I have not been impressed with them. I won't say what the car is yet because I'm going to leave that for the next video or whenever we do the reveal video for that. But dealership I've been working with hasn't been great. It took me a couple of times. It took me like the first day I reached out to them. It took them like a couple of days to get back in contact with us, and like it's just they've just been really slow. When all these other dealerships we've been working with, they've been really responsive, really like eager to try to sell cars. It just seems like this one, they seem kind of like nonchalant, like, man, here's the deal. You know, if you want it, cool. If not, whatever. Granted though, here's my thing, like we're coming in there, we're doing a very large deposit on the car and a trade-in. And you would think that they would be like, okay, cool, we need to sell cars right now, so let's get this deal done. But it seems like they're just kind of like nonchalant. Like we're doing like a pretty big deposit on this car, along with the actual trade-in. So reason why I'm kind of turned off by them. Like I was literally like, if the dude doesn't give us the final numbers by like today before noon, I was gonna say screw them. Like that's a car she wants. But I was gonna say like, man, honestly, forget them, because if they're gonna act like that, then we're just gonna go somewhere else. But they get back to us today, so we have kind of the final numbers. We're gonna wait to email them back and get back in contact with them until a little bit later. But today, I think we're gonna let them know, okay, we're gonna do it. I know everything's kind of weird because of this quarantining. You can't go in physically to buy cars. You have to do everything online. But it's just, I don't know. It's just a certain way like you would expect them to act, and I feel like this dealership, they weren't acting like that. So it is what it is with that. Now I'm thinking of that TikTok meme where it's like, it is what it is. Never realized I say that a lot. But anyway, so I'm not gonna ramble on, but that's pretty much what's going on. Hopefully you guys will be around for the reveal video. I think you're gonna like the car that she picked out. It's gonna be a really cool